What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about why I'm racked with guilt for just chilling a little bit. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you haven't heard of me before, it's Code Phony, and all we talk about is coding related kind of things. And I'm just going to get straight to it because I'm completely racked with guilt right now because I've gotten basically my dream job. And I know this is I'm not trying to brag here, this first world problem, but I feel kind of lost right now because I feel really guilty just spending, let's say, like a few minutes playing a video game, or spending some time playing with my daughter, spending a few hours cooking instead of going out to eat. And it's because I've been ingrained in a kind of like hustle culture for a few years now. And I think it's because I've had like this chip on my shoulder because I came from the restaurant industry. I was a sushi chef for almost 10 years, and I was desperate to get out of that industry. So I just coded day and night for a few months, got my first job, and then just kind of like moved up to different jobs, moving laterally from there to get to where I am now. And I wasn't like job hopping that much because I was waiting a couple years between each job. But yeah, this is where I am now, and it's incredible to think that I actually got here with no degree. And I didn't think that was a thing that could actually be possible before, but I just kind of believed in the process. And again, I mean, I preach on this channel that I think anyone can do that same thing. I think anyone can code. It's just not everyone wants to code as much as, the people that actually make it into the industry. So I mean, just so you know, you can do it if you want to code. And this is a problem that you might encounter as someone with a similar background. Because to get into the position where I am at, for example, I had to spend so many nights just coding, and all my free time, I feel like I've lost basically all my friends because all I do is work on personal projects, talk about coding. No one wants to talk about coding in real life. Nobody. That's gonna, like, you mention anything about programming and their eyes are just gonna glaze over. So I'm at this impasse in my life where I've reached the kind of like bare minimum goal that I wanted to, like a remote job with a salary that I feel comfortable with and work that I really enjoy, and it's actually the exact role that I've been wanting for years now. And it's a dream come true, but I'm at an impasse because I want to enjoy my life, and I want to, play video games sometimes. I want to maybe hang out with some friends, spend some time with my daughter without having that nagging feeling in the back of my mind, just being like, you should be coding right now, you should be working on your personal projects, you should be elite coding right now, you should be studying. Maybe you can get that degree that you actually dropped out of 3 times. It's just so many things. And I think this needs to be said because there's so many videos about YouTubers like advising you to start programming, but there's not really much advice about actually being in the career and the problems that you face while you're in it. So as a mid-level software developer right now, I'm having the issue of can I just be happy with 8 hours a day programming? And that's really why I'm making this video, because I really want to ask you guys, because some of you guys might be software engineers, software developers, all the same thing. But if you could really do me a favor and leave a comment down below telling me what you think, whether you think that spending extra time outside of work programming is necessary to advance your career. And I think that would be important information for anyone in the community to have too, because at some point you're gonna be like, should I keep leak coding? Should I keep working on my personal project? Should I keep working on my portfolio? Because I feel like we're all scared of stagnating, especially in this industry where things move so quickly. Like, you could be working on React right now, the hot framework. You can be working on Vue, whatever, and next year it's gonna be completely obsolete, and you're gonna be like, okay, the industry is actually asking for framework XYZ now, and your knowledge is completely useless. So it's a dangerous game we're playing because we're working for these companies with pretty high salaries, and there's a real danger of us going out of favor really quickly in this industry, just because there's so many new technologies coming out every day. So yeah, just let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'd really appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. See you guys next time. This is Code Phony out. Peace.